Dear students, today I will be discussing with you the important women and their importance in the history of Punjab. This topic is very important for the PCS 2020. This topic is also very important for every Punjabi because these women played a vital role in the history of Punjab. Their contribution cannot be ignored. The first one is Bebe Nanaki. Bebe Nanaki or Bibi Nanaki was the elder sister of Guru Nanak Dev Ji. She was daughter of Kalyan Das Ji and her mother's name was Mata Tripta Ji. She was born in 1464 at village Chahal, now in Lahore district of Pakistan. Chahal was her maternal parents' residence. She is considered as the first Sikh in the Sikh history. She was married to Bhai Jairam, a revenue officer of the Sultanpur Lodhi, presently in district Kapurthala. At that time, Sultanpur Lodhi was the capital of Jalandhar Doab. When Guru Nanak Dev Ji was 15 years of age, he started living with his sister. It was Bhai Jairam Ji who arranged the marriage of Guru Nanak Dev Ji to Mata Sulakshmi Ji, the daughter of Mool Chand and Mata Chandorani of the village Pakhoke, district Gurdaspur. Bebe Nanaki was not having any child, so she loved Shri Chand and Lakshmi Das, the sons of Guru Nanak Dev Ji, as her own sons. In 1518, Guru Nanak Dev Ji visited Bebe Nanaki, and immediately after that she departed her life. 3 days later, her husband Bhai Jairam Ji also passed away. No doubt, she is the first Gursikh in the history of Punjab, and Rai Bular of Talwandi was the second Gursikh. The second one is Mata Nati Ji. Mata Nati Ji is known by various names. Before her marriage, her name was Ananti Ji. She is also referred as Nihal Kaur Ji or Nihalu Ji, and sometimes also called Mata Basi Ji. She was the wife of Baba Gurditta Ji, the elder son of 6th Guru, Guru Har Gobind Ji. Her father was Bhai Rama Ji and mother's name was Sukh Devi Ji. They were from district Gurdaspur and Batala, and they were the Khatris. She was the daughter-in-law of 6th Guru, Guru Har Gobind Ji, and the mother of 6th Guru, Guru Har Rai Ji. She was married to Baba Gurditta Ji on 17th April 1624. 2 sons were born out of their union, Dhirmal in 1627 and Guru Har Rai Ji in 1630. After the death of Guru Har Gobind Ji and the departure of Mata Nanaki for Bakala in 1644, Mata Nati Ji was the head of Guru's household. During the time of Guru Har Rai Ji and Guru Har Krishan Ji, she also controlled the household. She died at Kirtpur Sahib on 29th September 1664. The next one is Mata Bhag Ji or Mai Bhago. She was the daughter of Pai Mallo Shah, granddaughter of Pai Piru Shah, who was the younger brother of Pai Langa, a Tillon Jat Chaudhary of 84 villages, who have become a Sikh during the time of 5th Guru, Guru Arjan Dev Ji. She was the only sister of 4 brothers. She was born at her ancestral village Chabhal in Amritsar district of Punjab. She was married to Nidhan Singh Vadach of Patti. She was a staunch Sikh by birth. She came to know that in 1705, some of the Sikhs of her village neighborhood deserted Guruji in the Battle of Anandpur Sahib. She managed to convince them and apologize, and they came to know that Guruji in Malwa. They stationed at Khidrane di Tab. Khidrane di Tab in the Malwa, and Guruji fought, and even Mai Pag Kaur and the 46, they also fought. Mai Pag Kaur or Mai Pago is the first woman in the history of Punjab to fight on the battlefield. Mai Pago was severely wounded. She stayed with Guruji as one of his bodyguards. She accompanied Guruji to Dakhan. She remained at Nanded with Guruji. When Guruji passed away in 1708, she retired to a place called Jinwara in Karnataka, near Bidar. She died there, and her hut in Jinwara is nowadays converted into Gurdwara, that is Tap Asthan Mai Pago. At Nanded, her residence is known as Bunga Mai Pago. Next is Bibi Amroji. She was the daughter of Guru Angad Dev Ji, and her mother's name was Mata Khivi Ji. She was born in 1532 at village Khadur Sahib near Amritsar. She had 2 brothers, Dasu and Datu, one younger sister, Anokhi. She was married to Pai Jasso, son of Manik Chand of Basarke village near Amritsar. Her father-in-law's brother was Guru Amar Das Ji, the 3rd Sikh Guru. She always sings the hymns of Guru Nanak Dev Ji. And Guru Amar Das Ji met the 2nd Guru, Guru Angad Dev Ji. At that time, Guru Amar Das Ji was 72 years of age and Guru Angad Dev Ji was 37 years of age. Bibi Amroji headed one manji at Basarke out of the 22 manjis to spread the Sikhism. She managed the affairs of that manji efficiently. Bibi Amroda Talab in her memory at Basarke is situated. Then my Mata Kaulanji. During the time of 6th Guru, Guru Hargobind Ji, she was the contemporary of Guruji. Kaula means the one who is living in abode of lotus. Different views among the scholars regarding the relationship of 6th Guru, Guru Hargobind Ji. But the common view is that she was the disciple of the Guruji. She was earlier kidnapped by a Muslim priest, Qazi Rustam Khan. Of Lahore. Qazi stole her from her Hindu parents and gave her the Islamic education. Later on, he sent her for higher education to Saint Miamir, a Sufi saint, who was very close to the Sikhism. He is the same Sai Miamir who laid the foundation of Harmandir Sahib at Amritsar. Qazi used to misbehave with the Mai Kaulanji and beat her, even abuse her. Somehow the Guruji rescued her and took her to Amritsar. Guruji asked his disciple to build for her near the Golden Temple Sarovar some place to live her. She started living there, but gone very weak and ill. Guruji built a pool named after her that is called Sar in 1627. Mata Kaulanji died at Kartarpur in 1630. Next is Bibi Pani Ji. She was born on 19th January 1535. She was daughter of Guru Amar Das Ji and her mother's name was Mata Mansa Devi Ji at Basarke. She had one elder sister Dani Ji and two brothers Pai Mohan Ji and Pai Mohri Ji. She was married on 18th February 1554 to Pai Jetha Ji, later on 4th Guru Ram Das Ji. She had three sons, Prithi Chand, born in 1558, Mahadev, born in 1560, Guru Arjan Dev Ji, born on 22nd May 1563. She was the grandmother of 6th Guru Hargobind Ji, great grandmother of Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji, great grandmother of 10th Guru Gobind Singh Ji. She was pious lady and busy in the Gurbani. Service in the Langar was her daily routine. She is today remembered as a symbol of service. She served her father, 3rd Guruji, then her husband, 4th Guruji, and 5th Guru Arjan Dev Ji. So she served the three Gurus. She died on 9th April 1598. Next is Bibi Rajni Ji. She is contemporary of 4th Guru Ram Das Ji. She was the 7th daughter and the youngest one of Rai Duni Chand, a revenue collector of Patti, devotee of Sikhism. His father got angry from her and married her to a patient of leprosy. Her husband was cured of leprosy and her husband's name was Bhai Mohan Ji. She gave birth to 7 children, 7 sons. The eldest son was Gurmukh, which was named by the 4th Guru Ram Das Ji. Guruji asked her husband to the trading of clothes. He became a prosperous person and Duni Chand had a very big loss in his trade and became poor. He spent his last days with Bibi Rajni Ji. Next is Mata Damodri Ji. She was the wife of 6th Guru Hargobind Ji. Her father's name was Narayan Das of Talla village. It is said Anni Rai, Bibi Viroji and Baba Gurditta Ji all were born to Mata Damodri Ji. Some scholars say that Guruji had only one wife, that is Mata Nanki Ji. It is a matter of debate and controversy. Next is Mata Sahib Kaur Ji or Mata Sahib Deva, generally described as the mother of Khalsa. She is the one who gave name Kaur to the woman. She accompanied 10th Guruji throughout his life. Her father asked Guruji that let her daughter live in the Guru's house. But Guruji did not agree and he didn't have any physical relations with her. And their marriage is called Kuwara Dola or virgin wedlock. She was born on 1st November 1681 at Rohtas, district Jhelum in West Punjab, Pakistan. Mother's name was Mata Jas Devi Ji and father's name was Bhai Rama Ji. They were the Kshatriyas. She stayed with Guruji throughout the life. even in the battlefields. When Guruji reached Nanded, Guruji sent Mataji to Delhi and gave her 5 weapons of the 6th Guruji for the self-defense. These weapons are still displayed in the Gurdwara Rakabganj Sahib in Delhi. Mataji died before Mata Sundri ji in 1747 at the age of 66. According to Mahan Kosh, Mata Sahib Kaur was present on the creation of Khalsa in 1699 on Vaisakhi Day, on the eve of first Amrit Sanchar. But according to Tawarikh Guru Khalsa, Mata Jito ji was present at the creation of Khalsa, as Mata Sahib Deva was not married at that time. Next is Mata Dayal Kaur ji. She was the mother of Pai Lehna ji, the 2nd Guruji, and she was born on 31st March 1504 at Mattedi Sarai near Muksar. Her earlier name was Ramoji. She was married to Ferumal, a well-known trader who was also the village Purohit. Mata Daya Kaur raised Bhai Lehna ji to Guru Angad Dev ji. Next is Mata Khivi ji. She was born in 1506 at Sangher in Sindh province in Pakistan. Her father's name was Bhai Devi Chand Khatri. Mother's name was Karan Devi. His father was a shopkeeper and trader and a known person in the area. When she was 13 years age, in 1513, she was married to Lehna ji. They had 4 children. Eldest one was Datu, who was born in 1524. Then it was Amro, who was born in 1532. Anokhi, who was born in 1535, and Datu in 1537. She had a lot of contribution in the Sikh history. Firstly, she is responsible for establishing the present day langar system, and langar came to be known as Khivi ka langar. Secondly, she is responsible for the organization of the seva system in the community. Thirdly, she is mentioned by the name in Guru Granth Sahib. That is, Balwand says that Khivi, the Guru's wife, is a noble woman and served the kheer, sweet and rice. Guru Nanak Dev Ji visited twice at Khadur Sahib, and Mata Khivi Ji served the Guruji. Mata Khivi Ji lived for 30 years after the death of her husband. She continued to manage the kitchen and langar during the time of the 3rd Guru Amar Das Ji. Her daughter Amro was married to Pai Jasso of Basarke, the nephew of Guru Amar Das Ji. Mata Khivi Ji had a distinction of meeting the 5 Gurus. She died at the age of 75 in 1582. Guru Arjan Dev Ji attended her funeral. All Sikhs admired her contribution even today. Mata Tripta Ji. She was mother of Guru Nanak Dev Ji. Her father's name was Ramaji and mother's name was Mata Pirai. She was from the village Chahal in West Punjab, Pakistan, district Lahore, and she built up Guru Nanak Dev Ji to taught him humanity and morality in his life. She died in 1522, and Guru Nanak Dev Ji himself performed the last rituals of his mother, Mata Tripta Ji. Maipriya Ji, also called as Virai Ji, she was related to Guru Angad Dev Ji as his aunt, that is sister of his father. In Punjabi we call Pua. After Guru Nanak Dev Ji, Guru Angad Dev Ji became the second Guru, and second Guru Ji settled at Khadur Sahib and stayed for few days with Maipriya. Guru Ji went into illusion and Maipriya Ji served Guru Ji at that time. The next is Mata Sundari Ji. Mata Sundari Ji, her father's name was Ram Saran, a Khatri of Bajwada district, Gurdaspur. She was married to 10th Guru Guru Gobind Singh Ji on 4th April 1684. One son was born, that is Baba Ajit Singh, on 11th February 1687, the eldest son. After the Battle of Anandpur Sahib, she along with Mata Sahib Deva went to Delhi under the guidance of Bhai Mani Singh Ji. She rejoined Guruji in 1706 at Talwandi Sabo. She went back to Delhi and Guruji went to Dakhan. After the death of the Guruji, she guided the Sangat and appointed Bhai Mani Singh Ji as the head of Amritsar Shrine. And even with her efforts, the two groups which were formed after the death of Banda Bahadur, that is Bandai's Khalsa and Tat Khalsa, they were joined with the efforts of Mataji. She guided the Sikh masses, the Sikh Sangat, for a long time. She died in 1747 in Delhi. Mata Ajit Kaur Ji, also called Mata Jito Ji. She was born in 1673 at Lahore. She was the daughter of Bhai Har Jas Ji. She was married to 10th Guru on 21st June 1677. And had three sons. That is Baba Jujhar Singh, Joravar Singh and Fateh Singh. She died on 5th December 1700 at Anandpur Sahib. Gurdwara Mata Jito Ji is situated in her memory at Anandpur Sahib. Now Mata Nanki Ji. Mata Nanki Ji was the mother of the 9th Guru, Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji, and the wife of the 6th Guru, Guru Har Gobind Ji. She remained with Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji at Bakala for a long time. Later on, 9th Guru, Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji purchased some land in the foothills of Shivalik, where he built one town, and the name of the town was Chak Nanki, after the name of Mata Nanki Ji. And later on, that town's name came to be known as Makhowal. And nowadays, this town is known as Shri Anandpur Sahib, the white city of Punjab. Thank you very much.